Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's been an absolute game changer for me and could be for you too. It's called EveryAI. Let's face it, we all know AI is the future. It's transforming industries, creating new opportunities, and making things possible that we couldn't even dream of a few years ago. But here's the problem: accessing all those amazing AI tools can be a total nightmare. You're juggling multiple subscriptions, each with its own login and billing cycle. You're trying to navigate complicated interfaces that feel like they were designed by rocket scientists. And you're watching your bank account slowly bleed dry with all those recurring monthly fees. Sound familiar? That's exactly why I'm so excited about EveryAI. Imagine having access to a massive library of over 350 premium AI models. I'm talking about powerhouses like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Canva AI, and a whole universe of other incredible tools, all in one central location, all incredibly easy to use, and without those crippling monthly subscription costs. That's the promise of EveryAI, and it delivers. Think about the possibilities. What could you achieve with that kind of power at your fingertips? Do you have a side hustle you're trying to explode into a full-time income? Are you looking to supercharge your marketing efforts and finally get the kind of results you deserve? Do you want to create stunning, engaging content that grabs attention and converts viewers into loyal customers? EveryAI puts all the tools you need to make those dreams a reality, all from a single, intuitive dashboard. And here's the really cool part: you don't need to be a tech wizard or an AI expert to use it. The platform is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, so anyone, regardless of their technical background, can jump in and start creating amazing things in minutes. We're talking about generating professional quality websites, producing stunning 8K videos, designing eye-catching graphics, writing compelling marketing copy, you name it, EveryAI can handle it. Just type in a few keywords, use your voice to give it a prompt, and let the AI work its magic. But the benefits don't stop there. With EveryAI, you get to keep 100% of the profits you generate. Seriously. No hidden fees, no royalties, no giving away a chunk of your hard-earned cash to some faceless corporation. You create, you sell, you profit. It's that simple. Now, I know what you might be thinking: this sounds almost too good to be true. And I get it. I was skeptical at first too. But the results speak for themselves. Take James K., for example. He had absolutely zero experience in freelancing, but after a quick training session with EveryAI, he started offering his services on Fiverr and made almost $1,000 in just 3 days. Or consider Sarah M., who launched a brand new business and landed a $3,000 sale within 24 hours of using EveryAI. These are real people, just like you and me, getting real results and transforming their lives with this incredible platform. EveryAI isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. It's a chance to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, build the business of your dreams, and finally achieve the financial freedom you've always wanted. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a small business owner, a student, or just someone who's curious about the potential of AI, EveryAI can help you unlock your creative potential and take your business to the next level. So, if you're ready to stop wasting money on endless subscriptions, simplify your workflow, and start creating amazing things with the power of AI, I highly recommend checking out EveryAI. And here's a little extra incentive. I've put together a fantastic set of bonuses that are available to anyone who purchases EveryAI through my link, which I've included in the description below. These bonuses are designed to help you get even more out of EveryAI and accelerate your success. So, if you're ready to stop wasting money on endless subscriptions, simplify your workflow, and start creating amazing things with the power of AI, I highly recommend checking out EveryAI. I've put a link in the description below so you can learn more and claim those bonuses. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.